Hey dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another haul video. Y'all know these are my favorite videos to do, right? Like, I do these videos all the time because your girl loves to shop, okay? And I like to bring y'all new places to shop, and this particular collab I did with Factory Fashions. Y'all may remember this store. I shopped them before. I put all the links to the previous video, but y'all, get into this dress. If you want to see what it is I think about this dress and other items that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, I am wearing these light denim blue jeans, and I really appreciate this company because they manufacture their own jeans, and this jean is by Sweet Look, where they specialize in the hug and the actual fit of your booty. So I love these jeans because of how it's pleated. It does push up your booty and also rounds your curves really nicely. And just like the previous jeans, these are very similar. So they are skinny jeans, they fit really snug, but they are comfortable. These are in the darker color denim, but again with the pleats on your booty area to help push up and shape your booty. So far so good. I would recommend these. Now, as you can see, they are stretchy. I love how they hold my curves. They're a little bit bigger on my ankles than I'm used to, but they're Now, I always love black jeans. I think with black jeans, they look really casual yet somewhat dressed up. It's like a dressed up casual look. Now, I do appreciate this pair in particular because they are distressed. I think distressed jeans are very on trend. Again, they fit pretty comfortable. I like how they hug my curves, and I do. And then again, with the back, it shows you how they have the pleats, which just helps with the overall shaping of your booty. Now, I'm in love with this shirt. You can wear this shirt as a tunic. I really wouldn't. I would just wear it as a shirt, but I'm just showing you here how it forms to your body. This material, like, again, it's a factory. They manufacture their own clothes. Everything is so stretchy. It will hug your curves, but it feels so comfortable on, and the fabric alone is very breathable and very soft. So really, really love this t-shirt. I can see me wearing it a whole lot. Now, ooh, get into it. Get into this Jessica Rabbit vibe, y'all. That's what I get with the hair in this dress. This dress, you have to pull over your head. There's no zipper or any kind of enclosure to get into the dress, but it's very soft as well, and it's somewhat structured, so it kind of holds you in, but it is a pullover dress. I would say this runs a little smaller, so you may want to go one size up, but again, I'll put all the details of the sizes in the links for everything down below. But I think this dress is sexy, and I'm definitely going to kill it when I wear it. Now, I love this dress because it's made out of that same fabric, y'all. I just can't stop talking about the fabric. It's really soft and it holds you win, but it also is very comfortable. So this one is made out that fabric, and then it also has that peekaboo midriff section, so it's very sexy, and then it also covers your girls, but it does give you that illusion that they're out because of the mesh. So a really basic dress, but it does have some cute details, and I think it's a really sexy bodycon. Now, as y'all can see, I am a sucker for black dresses. There's just something about the little black dress that I think is so timeless and so classic. Now, I love the play on this dress because not only is it sleeveless, but it has that turtleneck appeal, and then it also has that racer back look. So gives you a little bit more, I guess, action, so to speak, but you're still fully covered. So really simple, very sexy, and very comfortable, again, because of the material that it's made in. Now, last but not least, I wanted to show you guys an option for shapewear. Now, I'm putting this on the outside of the dress because I wanted you to see how to put it on and how it's structured. I love this material of this garment because it's not bulky. It will cover any back rolls that you have. I recommend going a size down. I got this in a 2X, but I would like it to be a little bit more tight. But again, this is something you can wear with a normal bra and really curve out your body.
Y'all, so that is it. As you can see, I am totally blacked out, y'all. Like, everything I picked up, I didn't realize it, but it's all in black. And I guess black is timeless. Black is chic. I mean, hey, I can't complain. I really do adore all the pieces I picked up, especially the dresses, because I love a good bodycon dress, and I love the fabric, y'all. Like, when I talk about this fabric and you see me stretching it on camera, it's because of how comfortable this fabric is. So I have a few pieces from my last haul. I will link the video so you can check out that haul too. A lot of those pieces should still be available on the website. But anyways, what I'm saying about this particular fabric is that it's super comfortable, it doesn't fade. So again, I hope you dolls enjoyed this haul. I would recommend the company. They have regular sizes, they have plus sizes. You can't go wrong, dolls. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to comment down below which part of this haul was your favorite. If you don't follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, be sure that you do, which is at Chrissy the Doll. I always post pictures from my looks, so get into it. Be sure that you comment on there as well, and leave y'all's down below. If you have an Instagram or Snapchat, leave it in the comments. I'm always interested in following and finding new people. But y'all, that's really it. I want to say thank you so much again for all your support. Be sure that you subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my fitness channel if you don't. I'll put a link to that on the end of the video, and of course, share the video if you have any homegirls or any homeboys who will like it, okay? So again, that's it, dolls. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.